Hello, welcome to another lesson. Remember Luis and Pedro? Luis is Esteban's brother and Pedro is his best friend. Last time we saw them, they were studying for an English exam. Well, today they're studying for another test. Just that this time, at least one of them paid attention to the class. As the boys study, we will learn about the use of the past simple forms of the verb be. Let's watch.
Ok, este ejercicio está ready. How are you doing?
Don't understand. No entiendo esta parte.
Which part?
What?
¿Qué parte?